Did you know that stale bread is a key ingredient in one of Italy's most refreshing summer salads? Today, we're diving into how Panzanella uses stale bread to create a delightful dish. Panzanella originated in Tuscany and traditionally used stale bread, garlic, onions, and olive oil. Over time, it evolved to include seasonal tomatoes as a staple ingredient. The key to perfect. Panzanella is using stale bread that has been soaked in water and squeezed dry. This technique helps the bread absorb flavors without becoming mushy. Common additions to panzanella include red onions, tomatoes, olive oil, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Cucumbers and basil are often included for extra freshness. Using stale bread is not just about tradition, it's also a sustainable way to use day-old bread, reducing waste and adding unique flavor to the dish. The best type of bread for panzanella is crusty and sturdy. The bread should soften from the salad's juices, but not be submerged for too long to maintain its texture. By soaking stale bread, panzanella transforms a simple dish into a refreshing and flavorful summer salad that highlights the importance of using every ingredient wisely. Now you know how to make panzanella with stale bread. Try it out in your kitchen and let us know how it turns out.